Good morning, Kasturians, and welcome to video 1 of chapter 1 of history, that is the modern period. In this chapter, we will see the meaning of history, the changes in the pattern of study of history, and time periods of history. So, what is history? History is simply the interpretation of the past on the basis of available evidences and facts. By interpretation of past, we mean to describe and to construct the past sometimes with the help of available architectural and monumental evidences, as well as the leftover or written accounts of the travelers and the chronicles. When we talk about history, generally history is divided into different time periods. According to time periods, history is divided as ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. These divisions of history as ancient, medieval, and modern are based on the way the society, economy, culture, and political atmosphere they changed from one period to its preceding and succeeding periods. Earlier, the study of history was about studying the famous or powerful people, their life. But now, later on, after that, the emphasis was shifted on the study of life of the common people. And it is because of this change in the preference that now history has become more relevant to understand, and it becomes easy to relate or associate the past from the present. This periodization of history into three, that is the ancient, medieval, and modern, it has changed over time, and this periodization is based on something which affected the way of living of the people. For this, some people say that the medieval history was affected when the Turks or the people of Turkish origin they came to India. At the same time, some people they say the modern history or the modern periodization of history is based when the Britishers they arrived in on Indian soil. So different historians they can have their own different views on the basis of the various evidences they present to support what they say. But since we are studying the modern period, so let's concentrate on this modern period. Modern time or modern period is basically considered to begin from 18th century. Why? Because the defining features of modern era, modernity, it includes mechanization, that is industrialization or wide use of machines for production process, colonization, as well as urbanization, that is bringing converting the rural villages into towns and towns getting converted into cities. So this modern period is considered to be beginning from 18th century, and these changing trends in the process of industrialization, colonization, and urbanization basically visible for the first time in Europe are taken to be the basis for beginning of the modern period. In India also, the modern period is related with the arrival of the British. In true sense, some historians they try to pretend and they try to glorify their past. So the British historians they relate modern period with the arrival of British in India, whereas the Indian historians They always neglect this fact and they relate or refer to this period, that is the period from arrival of British, as the colonial period. In history, time is very important factor, as we saw that the three broad classifications of history as ancient, medieval and modern, they are related with time. So time being very important, and history is all about the events that has happened in the past and that shaped or affected the life of the common people. So when it comes to happening of an event, history basically considers four questions, that is, what happened, when it happened, where did it happen, and how it happened. Although it is true about happening of events, still some of the things, they cannot be date back perfectly, like the change in culture, change in tradition, and the change in some of the vital social or administrative processes, like the arrival of British as a trader and then getting entire India converted into a colony. It all happened because of the policies of colonization adopted by British. So when, on which date actually or exactly this colonization process began, it is still difficult to say. So that's why we generally, instead of considering the exact date of happening of event, we consider the time period of happening of event for such changes. That's all we have in this video. In the next video we will see different interpretations of history and different sources to study modern history. Thank you and have a nice day.